Hello friends, I am Gaurav Desle. I am going to explain you today the practical of build half wave and full wave rectifier circuit in MATLAB Simulink. I use the simulation platform of MATLAB 2013a. You can use any of the versions of the MATLAB. We will see the theory background. Rectifier is an electrical device that converts an alternating current AC to direct current DC. We will see the two types, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Starting with the half wave rectifier. When a single rectifier diode unit is placed in series with load across an AC supply, it converts alternating voltage to a unidirectional pulsating voltage using one half cycle of the applied voltage, the other half cycle being suppressed because it conducts only in one direction. So in a half wave rectifier we will see only the positive waveform in our output and the negative waveform is get suppressed or it will be get zero. Unless there is an inductance or battery in the circuit, the current will be zero. Therefore, for the half time, this is called half wave rectification. Then for a full wave rectifier rectifies the full cycle in the waveform, that is, it rectifies both positive and negative cycle in the waveform. This full wave rectifier has an advantage over half wave rectifier, that is, it has average output higher than that of half wave rectifier. The number of AC components in the output is less than that of input. We will see this theory in the practical. Start with circuit details and rating of each components. Components required are AC voltage source 10 volt 50 Hz frequency, diode, power guide, resistance 10 ohm, voltage measurement 2 and one scope. Then we will see this circuit diagram. Start with AC voltage source. Connect AC voltage source, then connect the diode, connect resistance across AC voltage source after the diode, and take one voltage measurement due to the scope. Then for the input waveform, connect AC voltage measurement to the across AC voltage source and give to the scope. Power guide is very important in running this particular circuit diagram. So for full wave rectifier, circuit diagram is same. Just connect 4 diodes, 2 into 2 parallel diodes across the resistance. Then components are only the change is that 4 diodes, and all the circuit diagram is the same. Then this we will see the result waveform half wave rectifier. As we can see here, input waveform is sinusoidal. Then for yes, it is in a pink color. Then rectified half wave rectifier waveform is in a green color. So for the negative half portion of the cycle, it shows the zero voltage, it is the 0, and for the positive half portion of the cycle, it is as same as the input waveform. Then for a full wave rectifier, for the negative half portion of the waveform, it shows as same as the input waveform. So we can see that the time at which the voltage is 0 is very less, so we can conclude the resultant effective voltage is much greater with a full wave rectifier, because there is a very little time when the voltage is 0. The half wave is 0 for half of the cycle. So this is the experiment that we have seen now. Build a half wave and full wave rectifier circuit in MATLAB Simulink. I will just make a link of this PDF and will post in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you.